Okay. Yeah. Nirav, please make sure to keep your cameras on. Okay. Keep your cameras on. So, a quick brief about me. Okay. So, hi, I'm Harish Panjari from Mudga Fitness. I'm the founder of Mudga Fitness, where we help people get physically strong, mentally strong, as well as help heal your chronic pains. So, first of all, I want to just ask a quick brief. Do you all know about Mudgar and Karlagatai? Do you have some idea? Okay, you can keep your mics on also. Okay, when you want to answer, you can keep your mics on. Okay, Tarannum, Nirav, Porus.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, Mudgar is basically, yeah, Nirav. So, Mudgar is basically nothing but what we have popularly seen in Bollywood movies and in TV shows as to how someone is basically lifting a mudgar and doing these up overhead swings. But let me tell you, it is much, much more than that. Okay. So, what art I basically teach, it's called May Padam and Karlakatai. Okay. May Padam and Karlakatai. And what happens in that is that in Maypadam, we are first basically strengthening your tendons. Okay, we are strengthening your tendons. So, what are your tendons? These are your tendons. Okay, in every part of your body, there is something which is a very hard, rubbery substance. Okay, which is supporting your joints and muscles. Okay. So in May Padam, we are basically strengthening your tendons. And once you keep doing that, okay, once you keep doing that, then it basically helps you in practicing the Mudgar. Okay. It helps you in practicing the Mudgar or Karlakatai. Okay. Or Karlakatai. In South, it's known as Karlakatai, the name. Okay. So that's like a very, very quick intro about these two arts as well as about me. Now we'll be starting the session. Please, everyone, turn on your cameras. Porus, Nirav, please turn on your cameras. So it will be helpful even for me to judge how the workout is happening. Okay, let's start the workout.
Okay.
Yeah, please turn on your cameras. Okay, so first of all, how do we generally start the workout? Is take a left leg forward. Okay. Yes, please everyone take the left leg forward. Both hands up. Raise both hands up. Mata, Pitta, Guru, Deva. Okay. Okay. Fine. No problem, Neerav. Sure. So this is the way you Mata, Pitta, Guru, Deva. Then touch the floor three times. Bur, Bua, Swa. Okay. So this is the way we start the practice. Okay. So now we first will start with May Padam. So before starting May Padam, make sure that your feet are right below your shoulders. Okay? Make sure your feet are right below your shoulders. Okay? So that is the most important part. There's an entire alignment practice which I teach in our class. Okay? But before that, make sure your feet are right below your shoulders. Okay? Let's start with move one. Keep your hands like this. Keep your hands like this. Yes. And go for the move one. One, two, three, four. Okay. Five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay. Only move one hand at a time. Okay. Only move one hand at a time. Porus, please turn on your camera. Otherwise, I won't be able to see what you're doing. Okay. In terms of workout. Okay? Yes. Only move one hand at a time. Yes, one hand at a time. Yes. Continue. Yes. And whenever you're crossing your hand from your body, okay, breathe out. Okay, breathe out. Then breathe in. Then breathe out. Then breathe in. Okay. Most important part. Don't use your mouth. Okay. Don't open your mouth. Keep your mouth closed. Only keep breathing out. Okay. Only keep breathing out. Okay. Yes. Continue. Continue. Yes. Continue. Yes. Keep breathing out. Breathe out. Yes. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. Relax, 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 relax. Okay. So, what we generally do is we generally do 108 reps. Okay. We generally do 108 reps every time. Okay. But since it's a quick, short master class, so we'll be limiting it to 54. Everyone, please turn on your cameras. Prahlad, Bople, and someone called MSTCET. Please turn on your cameras. Okay. Okay. Let's go for move number two. Move number two. Okay. One, two, three, four. Okay, so it's basically like this. One, two, three, four. Okay, follow the move. Okay, मेरे साथ move follow करो. Okay, like this. And keep your cameras on, everyone. Otherwise, I'll have to remove you from the class. Okay, and keep breathing out. Keep breathing out. Yes. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Porous, don't take your hand too much up. Don't take it too much up. Till here. Till here. That's it. Till here. Yes. Yes. Keep breathing out. Keep breathing out. Doing May Padam practice, okay, will basically open up your body. Okay, the more you do this, the more your body opens up, and then the more strength you build. Okay, let's continue. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and relax, relax, relax. Very good. Okay. Now, next move, I'll show you from side angle. Okay. Take your left leg forward, cut, come back. Right leg forward, cut, come back. Left leg forward, cut, come back. Okay. So I'll also show you from front view. If I take my left leg forward, I'm cutting like this. Okay. So my right hand is in front, like this. Okay. I come back. Right leg forward, left hand in front. Okay. Like this. Yes. Try it out with me. Try it out with me. Yes. Try it out. Yes. Yes. Very good.
Can you show me sideways?
Yeah. So it's like this. I take my right leg forward. Okay. And I do this. And then I come back. Left leg forward. I do this. Come back. Right leg forward. Do this. Come back. Okay. So it will also relieve any back pain. Okay. Also relieve any back pain as well as build your shoulder strength. Okay. Yes. Try it out. No problem if you're making a mistake. Okay. You'll slowly learn based on that. Yes. or only one swing and then come back. Change the leg. Then go for the other swing. Yes. Tarannum, look straight. When you're doing this movement, look straight. Don't look sideways.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Continue. Yes. Yeah. Porous. You also make sure you're looking straight. Yes. When you're going for the movement, look straight. Okay. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, and keep breathing out. Most important, if you're not breathing out, you'll be tired by the end of the class. So make sure you're breathing out from your nose. Okay, keep your mouth closed. Okay, let's continue. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yes, come on, guys. More four left. 51, 52, 53, 54. And relax. Relax, relax, relax. Okay. So here we've done till now three moves. Okay. We've done three moves till now. Okay. Now next one. Now next one. Take a side lunge. Okay. Take a side lunge. One. Come back. Two. Come back. Three. Come back. Four. Come back. Okay. So I'm just taking my arm like this. Okay. I'm bending my wrist joint. Okay. I'm bending my wrist joint like this. Coming back. Like okay. Try it out with me. Try it out with me. Yes. Imagine you're giving some packet to someone on your sides. Okay. You're giving someone on the side. So but your wrist is like this. Okay. That packet is heavy. So you're passing it like this. Okay. So bend your wrist joint. Yes. Bend your wrist joint. Yes. And even take the side lunge. Yeah. Porous, even take the side lunge. Even with Tarun. Go for the side lunge. Come back. Go for the side lunge. Come back. Side lunge. Come back. Side lunge. Come back. Okay? Yes. Very good. 21. Yeah. Tarunam, directly don't go for the side lunge. Come back in the middle. Then go for the side lunge. Okay? Come back in the middle. Then go for the side lunge. Okay?
Acha. Okay.
Yes. Go for the momentum. Okay? Go
Okay.
for the momentum. Don't go for speed. Yes. In make sure in our workouts, you have to make sure that you're doing limited effort and more return. Okay. So it shouldn't feel like an effort. It should feel like a flow. Okay. It should feel like a flow. Okay. I'll show you again.
Okay.
31, 32, 33. And when your hand is passing like this, breathe out. Okay. Come in center, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes, very good. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Very good, guys. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. Okay. Relax, 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 relax. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start with the mudgal. So if you have a mudgal, get it. Okay. If you don't, please carry a
Yes.
1 liter bottle. Okay. Use a 1 liter. Again, keep the mudgal or the bottle in front of you. Okay. Keep it in front of you. Okay. Yes. Take a left leg forward. Again, as we started the practice with our left leg forward, both hands up. Same thing we have to do with the mudra. Take both hands up. Mata, Pitta, Guru, Devam. Touch the mudra 3 times. Bhur, Bhuva, Swa. Okay? Yes. So now we'll be doing the very first move. Okay? First, see what I'm doing. Yeah. Just hold the mudgar in one hand. Okay? Below your waist. Yes, below your waist. Like this. Take it back, change it in front, take it back, change it in front, take it back, change, take it back. Yes, change, take it back, change, take it back, change, take it back, change, take it back, change, take it. Yes, very good. Yes, yeah, good, Tarun. Yes, you got the form. Very okay. And when you're taking it back, breathe out. Okay, it's like this: breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Yes, very good. Yes, yeah. Porous, you can also try it out. Okay, you can try it out. If you have a bottle, you can use a bottle. Yes. Okay. Yes. Keep your posture straight. Remember to keep your posture straight. Yes. And keep breathing out. Keep breathing out. Yes. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and relax, relax, relax. Keep your mudras down. Okay, relax. So this is the very first basic move. Okay, the very first basic move. It is even advised to people who are elderly, okay, as well as to kids at the age of 16. Even they can start doing this, okay. The move which is below the waist, okay. Why? Because if they are doing something above the waist, probably their height will be compromised, okay. So this is a good way to start developing strength even in kids, okay. So yeah, so this was first move what we just did. Okay. Now let's do the next second move. Hold your mudra like this. Double hand. Hold it like this. Yes. Hold it like this. Okay. Let's go. One, two. Okay. Side to side. Three, four, five, six. Yes. Seven, eight. Yes. Keep breathing out. Nine, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Yes. 13, 14, 15, 16. Taranum, if you have a normal mudgar, you can use that. I guess this is an Indian club. What are you using? What you're using is an Indian club. If you have a normal mudgar,
No, yes.
okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that
If
I
you
don't
have that
have.
one, no problem. You can continue. If you have that one, you can continue. Yes. Okay. 39,
Okay.
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, 54 and relax. Okay, relax. Okay, so this was the second move. Okay, this was the second move. Now I'll be showing you the last move, and we'll do that only 27 reps. Okay, otherwise we'll be overboard on time. So I'll just show you how it works. You can try it out with me. So it's
Okay.
like this: one, two, three, four. Okay. So we're doing the same movement, the second movement, and mixing it with another movement. Okay. Yes. Try it out. Try it out. With me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, very good. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, and relax. Relax, relax, relax. Okay, keep the mouth in front. Take your right leg forward. Okay, we'll close this masterclass session. Right leg forward. Take both hands up. Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam, Bhut, Bhuva, Swa. Okay? Yes. Yes, you just finished the class. Okay? Okay. Yeah, now you can sit down. If you want to have water, you can have water. Yes, you can sit down. Okay, I'll just open a presentation about just to give you an idea. Yeah, let me know if you can see my screen. Can you see my screen? Just give me a thumbs up. Okay, okay, perfect.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, guys. As I just gave you a quick introduction about Karlagatai and Maypadam. Okay. So so what we just did in the last 20 minutes, 20-25 minutes was Karlagatai. Okay. So just to give you an idea about the history of Karlagatai. So Karlagatai was a creation of Karlan. Okay. Karlan was a Gana. Okay. And he was like a very strong warrior, बहुत strong warrior थे. And he had so much of strength कि he used to uproot trees. Okay. झाड़ उखाड़ देते थे, उनका उतना strength होता था. So once he got into a fight, into a war, he felt he had a lot of ego, and he started fighting everyone. And then he went into a war with Shiva, with Lord Shiva. Okay, and then ultimately Lord Shiva and his army defeated him, defeated Karla. But they realized the strength. They realized the strength of Karla. Okay, so what they did was Lord Shiva gave him a Karlagatai. Okay, gave him a Karlagatai in his name. Okay, that's how we have Karlagatai. Okay, that name. Okay, I'll just show you. So this is a Karlagatai. Okay, if you see my video, this is a Karlagatai. So in
Okay.
such a way, in within Karlagatai, there are many rotations. There are at least 64 rotations. Okay, which you can do. So it's not कि you are only supposed to do this movement, okay, which we generally see in movies. सिर्फ यही movement नहीं है जो हम लोग को करना रहता है. बहुत सारे
Hmm.
movements रहते हैं within Karlagatai. Okay, and one more thing, it's a full body workout. Okay, so as you saw, what we are doing in this entire session, we were activating the entire body. Okay, we are not just working on the upper body. Okay, you will even feel if as this
Hmm.
आपने session किया है just, you will feel there's some relief around your hips. Okay, you will feel your arms are more free. Okay, and this if you do for at least 2 weeks, you will
Yes.
feel it is more free. Okay, आपके हाथ और ज़्यादा free लगेंगे, right? So this is the power of Karlagate. Okay, and yeah, May Padam, as I just explained, May Padam is nothing but free hand movements. Okay, free hand movements. So जो movements हमने क्लास के स्टार्ट में किए थे, okay, उसको मे पाडम बोलते हैं. Okay, so there are a lot of free hand movements which you are doing, which you are building your tendon strength. टेंडन स्ट्रेंथ जो आपके मसल्स और जॉइंट्स को सपोर्ट करता है, टेंडन्स. ओके, सो ऐसे मे पाडम से आपका स्ट्रेंथ बिल्ड होता है. ओके, now next one. Now benefits wise. Okay, benefits wise, what are the main benefits? Now when you start your practice, okay, let's say this is a standard karlagat. Okay, it's called kai karlai. Okay, so every karlai has its own benefit. Like this will give you general health. Okay, you have to be generally fit and healthy. Okay, and आप घर पे अपने जो भी काम है वो भी कर पाओ, then this tool will help. Okay, so in terms of benefits, I'll tell you it will first of all give you strength, no doubt. Okay, जितना आप प्रैक्टिस करते होगे आप ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग रहोगे अपने ऑफिस के काम में, बिजनेस के काम में, इवन किचन के काम में, wherever you're working. Okay, you will be much stronger. ओके, सेकेंड थिंग इज कि
Hmm.
आपकी मोबिलिटी बढ़ेगी. ओके, तो कल जाके अगर आपको कोई चीज है, आप ऐसे खड़े हो और आपको कोई चीज पीछे से उठानी है, तो आपका शोल्डर रिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं करेगा. ओके, इवन लुकिंग इन फ्रंट, सो योर शोल्डर मोबिलिटी विल बी वेरी गुड. इवन योर लेग मोबिलिटी विल बी वेरी गुड. You will be even able to do moves like this. Okay, if you have to do a side split, okay, if you have to do a side split, you can easily do a side lunge also. Okay, and go for a move like this also. Okay, without sitting down. So ये आपकी जो मोबिलिटी है, वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होगी। ओके, जनरली होता है ना कि व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अ जिम वर्कआउट, बॉडी स्टिफ होने लग जाती है। ओके, देन आप जिम के बाद आपको कोई कुछ काम कर नहीं पाओगे, बट एस्थेटिकली आप वो प्रेजेंटेड रहोगे, बट आप और कुछ फंक्शनल नहीं रहोगे। तो फंक्शनल वाइज भी ये वर्कआउट आपको हेल्प
Hmm.
करेगा। ओके, एंड लास्टली, अगर आप हाई रेप्स करते हो, अगर आप हाई रेप्स करते हो, लेट्स से 500 रेप्स करते हो, आप धीरे धीरे काम होते जाओगे। ओके, यूल बी मोर रिलैक्स्ड। Okay, you will feel that. You will only tell me, okay, I am feeling much better, I am feeling more relaxed, I am feeling more focused. Okay, another important thing. So there are multiple benefits if you're doing this ancient warrior practice. Okay, ancient warrior practice. So yeah, moving on. Okay, so yeah, here's
Hi
one
everyone,
student.
my name is Srivalli, prenatal and postnatal yoga trainer and founder of Yogic Dad.
So here's one student of us, and just take background deto. She had just delivered a baby around 1.5 or 2 years back, and then she connected me कि उसके strength level बहुत कम है. Okay, she couldn't handle the baby. Okay, so just hear her out. क्या बोलती हो?
And also, I'm a mother with 2.5 years toddler. So, I have this challenge of carrying him for longer time. So, thought of doing some strengthening training, and luckily, I found Mudgar practice. After that, I found Harish ji, who is giving online sessions for Mudgar practice, which is great. I thought it is only offline. I chose neem mudgar for my practice. It is really amazing. You can feel that neem smell every time whenever I swing the mudgar around my face or near my face. So after mudgar practice, my hands also smells neem, and I do pranayam, which I inhale that neem smell a lot, which I'm loving it personally a lot. Apart from this strength and neem mudgar, which I liked a lot, I have seen other benefits as well. Like my confidence was boosted, and I'm very confident now. Mentally, that mudgar practice will give you that confidence a lot.
Okay. So this was Srivalli. Okay. She used to practice with us, and now she has much, much more strength doing her activities. She can even carry her kid. She just told me she could carry her kid for at least half an hour while walking like this. Okay. उतनी उसकी strength थी. Now I'll also introduce
Hmm.
you to one of my student called Major Anuj. Okay, and he had elbow pain. Okay, उसकी age उनकी age थी 50 plus, and he had a lot of elbow pain because he used to love doing gym workouts. Okay, so now you can hear his story. Okay, check it out. Check out his story. Okay, I guess load में थोड़ा time लग रहा है. Light गई. अभी मैंने लिया है मेरा. अरे यार, मैं नेटवर्क का नाम नहीं है. ये भी लगा दोगे अडेप्टर? लगा के रख दो सिर्फ. ओके, कनेक्टेड. Yeah. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay,
Yes.
my Wi-Fi connection just dropped. Okay, okay.
Yes.
So yeah, so what I was saying was about Major Anuj. Okay, I'll see if it is okay. It's here itself. Yeah, let me know if you can see my screen. Yeah, can you see my screen? Okay. So yeah, this is Major Anuj.
Hello everyone, my name is Major Anuj and I have started the Mudgar practice about 3 months back. The visible difference between a regular gym workout and Mudgar is that the Mudgar workout engages our core, helps our balance, helps in stronger shoulders, better grip, stronger elbows, stronger wrists, and we are able to lift and do physical tasks which were earlier impossible. I'd highly recommend this to anybody who does a regular workout or practices yoga, and definitely for those who don't exercise at all. Of course, with a healthy diet and proper sleep. Haresh is a fabulous teacher, tremendous amount of experience, beautiful way of teaching. So see you all in class and walk your way to good health with the Mudgar, the ancient Indian practice. So see you everyone in class. Jai Hind. Have a nice day.
Okay. So this was Major Anuj. He had, when he approached me, he had elbow pain. Okay, very bad elbow pain because he used to do a lot of heavy gym workout. Okay, deadlifts and a lot of other heavy gym workout. But because of his elbow pain, he couldn't do anything in gym. Okay, so hence he started the Mudgar, and now he is much better. Now he can again go and do other heavy things also. Okay, he's much more capable on that. So again, if in case अगर आप gym workout भी कर रहे हो, then you can also add this workout as part of your total workout. Okay, to get much more stronger. So yeah, now yeah. So big question: what Mudgar is good for me? ओके सो मार्केट में आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे मुदगर है इवन यू आर सीइंग बिहाइंड मी यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ मुदगर्स ओके देयर सम different shape mudgars here. There's a gada there. Okay. Then again you will see something here. Okay. There's small paddi karlais and another type of mudgar. Okay. So I'll just give you a brief. एक छोटा brief देता हूँ. Every time start with a kai karle. Okay. Every time start with the kai karle. Kai karlai's meaning is in Tamil it is called arm. Arm. Okay. Your arm. Your entire arm. So, Kai Karlai's length should be the length of your arm. Okay, you can check mine. It's the length of my arm. When you're practicing with something like this, first at all, it will build your basic fitness. Okay, क्योंकि अगर आप directly, let's say, एक गदा यूज करना स्टार्ट करोगे, तो आपको इंजरी होगी. Okay, please don't do that. Okay, wherever you start your practice with whoever you start your practice directly गदा से मत start करो. Okay, start with a kai karlai first. Okay, something like this. Okay, तो एक बार आपकी एटलीस्ट 3 months 6 months आपकी बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ और हेल्थ डेवलप होगी, देन यू कैन ट्राई मेनी अदर मुदगर्स, मेनी अदर करलाइज. ओके, लाइक दिस वन हियर, ये वाला हाइट में छोटा है. ओके, बट इसको भुजे करलाई बोलते हैं. ओके, भुजे मतलब क्या? शोल्डर्स, शोल्डर स्ट्रेंथ, आपका वो स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ाने के. ओके, तो आप देखोगे कि दोनों के रेडियस में बहुत फर्क है. दिस इज मोर फैटर. ओके, भुजे करलाई और ज्यादा मोटा है. सो हर करलाई का अपना अपना मोटिव होता है. ओके, लेट से अगर आप स्विमिंग में हो, ओके, लेट से आप कोई एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में, देन आपको उस हिसाब से वो स्पेसिफिक करलाई प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. ओके, सो दैट वाज अबाउट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मुदगर कैन बी गुड फॉर यू. मेरे YouTube पे आपको और भी वीडियोस मिलेंगे इसके बाद में. ओके, ओके, आई टेक अ ब्रेक. एनी क्वेश्चंस? कुछ क्वेश्चंस अभी तक? तरन्नुम, नीरव, प्रहलाद, एनी क्वेश्चंस? Okay. Okay. Ritika from our team, she will first now share her story. Okay. She'll share her story. Yeah, Ritika, you can start.
Yeah, hi. Good morning. Yes, so my experience was like, I'm into IT since more than 12 years now. So basically, what happened was my left shoulder and hand was totally gone. I was diagnosed with two different conditions. One was cervical radiculopathy, and other was something I don't remember the name. So I showed multiple doctors, did physiotherapy, spent a lot of money, time, efforts, everything, but it was not, resolved. So finally, I mean, Hareshji, of course, he's into Mudgar since long time now. And personally, I never used to, it never used to interest me at the start. But then finally, I said, okay, I'll try it once. And trust me, it's been a year now. I've been doing this. After 2 3 months only, I started feeling that difference. There was that point in my life I could not even hold my phone, and it used to just drop because I did not have any kind of strength. But now I can hold things. I can, just carry furniture or whatever is required at my workplace or at my home. So it really gives you that strength, and because your body, you are able to do things what you want to do. So that really gave me, another kind of fitness level. Yeah. So yeah, that was my story. All thanks to Rodkar.
Yeah, guys. So I remember Ritika had a very big problem. One day she told me that she couldn't pick her phone. Okay, इतना लाइट डिवाइस उठाने को भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता बिकॉज देयर वाज अ बिग पेन गोइंग फ्रॉम वन आर्म टिल द नेक वन सिंगल पेन वाज गोइंग देयर so it was a very bad case for her but luckily means even she wasn't like keen ki, she was not like कि मेरे को मुदगर start करना है she was not interested she was like more मेरे को yoga और उसमें ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है but after like few months she decided कि चलो let me give it a try because the pain तो जा नहीं रहा and after 2 months now she can pick up like mudgar like this also okay take it like this also up so आपका जो बेसिक फंक्शन मूवमेंट है उसको बेटर कर रहा है आपके पेन्स जो है उनको भी रिलीव कर रहा है ओके एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आपको एनर्जी भी दे रहा है ताकि आप पूरे दिन में और बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज कर पाओ ओके so that was it for my presentation. The last thing what I have to share, okay, is you if you want you can take a screenshot of this. Okay, इसका screenshot ले सकते हो जो current slide है. ओके तो इस पे मेरा नंबर है जिसमें आपको आप मेरे को डीएम करोगे तो आपको मैं जो मेरे एक पीडीएफ है ऑफ ऑल माय लर्निंग्स इन द लास्ट 4 years आई विल शेयर दैट ओके सो दैट इज कम्प्लीटली फ्री यू कैन रीड इट यू कैन देन डिसाइड कि आपको क्या करना है एंड वन मोर थिंग इज द ऑफर ओके सो वी हैव मुदगर क्लासेस रनिंग एवरी मंथ स्टार्टिंग एवरी मंथ ओके सो आपको मुदगर क्लासेस में क्या क्या मिलेगा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो बेसिक मुदगर क्लासेस है उसमें आप मे पार्डम और करले कटाई दोनों सीखोगे ओके तो आप प्रॉपर तरीके से अपनी बॉडी को बिल्ड कर सकते हो ओके देन वी ऑल्सो हैव इंटरमीडिएट क्लासेस जो हम स्टूडेंट्स को आफ्टर 3 months आफ्टर 6 months रेकमेंड करते हैं वेर वी स्टार्ट विद द गदा ओके वेर वी स्टार्ट विद द गदा सो ये बट आगे की बात है ओके सो बिगनर्स हो गया जैसे आप हमारे कम्युनिटी में ऐड होते हो देन वी हैव अ सेपरेट फूड ग्रुप ओके एज वेल एज अ मुदगर ग्रुप वेयर अगर आपकी कोई भी डाउट से रिलेटेड मुदगर लेट से मुदगर को मेंटेन कैसे करने का है उसकी लाइफ कैसे बढ़ाने की है या क्वेश्चंस अबाउट अलाइनमेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट ब्रीदिंग या अगर आपको कोई डाउट्स है कि आप कोई मूव कर रहे हो और वो गलत हो रहा है राइट तो ऑनलाइन में ये चीजें कैसे सॉल्व करें तो आई विल ऑल्सो गिव यू सपोर्ट ओवर व्हाट्सएप you can just share me your recording and I will basically correct you कुछ भी मूव में प्रॉब्लम रहेगा तो okay apart from that we also have regular challenges happening in the group okay ताकि मोटिवेशन बनी रहती है नहीं तो क्या होता है कि जनरली स्टूडेंट्स ज्वाइन एंड देन विद इन अ वीक स्टूडेंट अटेंड नहीं करते so to have that motivation we have regular challenges okay and also we have talks so as I said right we have a student who's a major okay he had basically served in the uri mission okay जो उरी मूवी हमने देखी थी he had basically served in the mission तो वो कभी कभी अपने टॉक्स देने आते हैं about his military experience then today itself we have another talk at 10 o'clock okay today at 10 o'clock where there's a lady who has been doing gym workout for last 20 years, बट वो अपना मुदगर का पर्सपेक्टिव देगी. सिंस लास्ट 6 मंथ्स वो अब मुदगर कर रही है, तो वो अपना पर्सपेक्टिव देगी. सो ऐसा सेशन भी होता है. इफ इन केस यू आर ऑल्सो इंटरेस्टेड, जस्ट मैसेज मी, आई ऑल्सो शेयर यू दैट लिंक. यू कैन ज्वाइन दैट एंड यू कैन अटेंड दैट टॉक. इट्स फ्री. ओके. सो ऐसे मल्टीपल एक्टिविटीज हमारे कम्युनिटी में होती है. ओके. सो if you want to join our classes, our class fee for 3 months is 4,000 rupees. Okay. But if you reply to us by tomorrow 12 p.m., okay, कल दोपहर 12 बजे तक रिप्लाई कर दो, then the offer price is 3,200. Okay. So accordingly आप decision ले सकते हो. You have tried the class. Okay, you've tried the class. You can even see my YouTube channel जहाँ पे आपको और workouts and videos मिलेंगे. And then you can decide कि आपको लगता है कि ये workout मेरे लिए है कि नहीं. Okay. Cool. Any questions? Any questions?
So in this 3 months, sir,
Sorry, Tarun?
in this 3 months, the course,
3 months.
like how many rotations you will be taught?
So
How many
rotation wise,
rotations?
yeah, rotations wise at least 20. 20 rotations.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. क्योंकि हम complicated swings नहीं कराते बिगनर्स में.
Okay.
बिगनर्स में पहले आपकी कोर स्ट्रेंथ को बढ़ाना है. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. If no questions, thank you all for attending. Okay. You can keep following me on Instagram and YouTube for my workout videos as well as for small tidbits on how to keep consistently doing this practice. Okay. If you want to connect with me, again, you can take a screenshot of this slide. मेरा number उसमें है. You can directly connect with me. Cool? चलो. Okay.
Thank you.
Signing off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
एक्चुअली आई वाज नॉट प्रिपेयर कि आप मुझे बोलने वाले हो, क्योंकि क्या हुआ